Hello and welcome to the course. My name is Ardit and I'll be your instructor. On successful completion of this course, you will be able to start your programmer career. Of course, there will always be new things to learn even after you complete this course, but here you will gain all the core skills that a Python programmer needs to develop professional applications in Python. Now in this video I'll go through the course curriculum in a nutshell so you know what to expect from this course. So we will start by building a real-world program right away, and we're going to develop that program step by step. And this first program covers all Python basics. So if you never work with Python, that's fine. You will learn everything in this course from scratch. Once you build your basic Python skills during the first app, then we'll move on to the second app, which is the Flatmates Build app. Then we'll move on to the third app, the Math Painting app, then the Webcam Photo Sharer app, the Flatmates Build web app, the Calorie web app, the Automated Emails app, Instant Dictionary web app, Instant Dictionary API, and lastly Cinema Ticket Booking. Now some of these apps we will build together, but some of them are projects, so you are expected to build them on your own. In each app, after the first app, you will learn new advanced core Python skills, but also learn how to use the most useful Python packages, such as packages for data processing, creating PDF reports, making web apps, sending emails, and many more. And all these are integrated into the 10 applications that we will build. It's important to emphasize that we will use object-oriented programming style, or known for short as OOP, which is a style of programming using Python classes as opposed to using procedural or functional programming, which usually ends up in so-called spaghetti code. So code that gets so messy it becomes impossible to change it, reuse it, or expand it. OOP is in fact a style of programming that every programmer will end up using sooner or later if they want to get serious with building real programs. In fact, once you get a grasp of OOP, creating applications in OOP style with Python is going to be very easy. Moreover, you will learn how to use programming tools such as how to use the Git version control system, how to use a debugger to debug your code, how to do code refactoring, learn about software design principles, and more. And that's in a nutshell what the course contains, and you will discover more items as you progress through the course. Now, to be able to write all the code that we will write throughout the course, you need to do two things first. The first thing is you need to install Python, and the second is you need to install an IDE. I'll give you the instructions on installing both Python and the IDE in the next video. Now, an IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and an IDE is a text editor with some nice features that assist programmers in writing programs efficiently. The IDE that we will use to code the first app is called Thonny. Thonny is a lightweight IDE designed for beginners. It has features that will help you learn and understand Python better. But after we complete the first app, you will know Python basics well, so then it's safe to move to a more professional, fully featured IDE. And that is the PyCharm IDE, which is probably the best IDE out there for Python. Now, if you have a favorite IDE and you know to use it well, feel free to use that instead of the ones I'm suggesting in the course. Otherwise, just follow the instructions and install and use Thonny for now and PyCharm later, as I do in the videos, and I'll show you how to set up PyCharm after we complete the first app. All you need to do is follow the course in the given order, and that's about this video. So I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you.